What do you think you're honking at, huh? Well, you don't like the way I drive? Why don't you come on in here? I'll give you a driving lesson. No. You want a piece of me? Why don't you come out and get you some, huh? Where are you gonna go now? Well, you can't speed up by anybody now. You think you're better than me? What you think? Oh, I don't like the way you drive. What, you got a fancy what? Huh? Keep out!
The Trunk Monkey, a revolutionary idea.
All right, back in the trunk.
Hey!
You little...
The Trunk Monkey, the revolutionary idea you'll only find one place.
Where'd you find this place?
Hey! You know it costs a lot to park here.
I'm not gonna pay you any money.
Well, then you're gonna pay another way.
Oh, yeah?
The Trunk Monkey Samurai Edition.
That's my trunk monkey.
The Trunk Monkey Theft Retrieval System. Because sometimes getting your car back is simply not enough. Another revolutionary idea, pending approval from the Department of Agriculture.
Your hat is fabulous.
Ma'am?
How about if we don't give us a ticket today and just a warning?
License and registration.
Okay.
This your monkey?
The Trunk Monkey, a revolutionary idea you'll...
On my way into work, I spilled hot coffee on my lap, and I lost control of my car.
Shock advised. Stand clear.
For the most part, I'm glad that I bought a car with the Trunk Monkey.
The Trunk Monkey.
Here we are.
I still can't believe my dad let us even touch his new car.
Yeah.
I think it came with the car. Hey. Wait!
The Trunk Monkey Chaperone version.
When I'm driving, I like to play it safe. That's why I never text and drive. With my Trunk Monkey, I can send hands-free texts. Send. I'm running late. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Bananas, bananas, bananas. If you want hunky, get with the monkey. Oh, so now he's a monkey. Is that your car? Oh, no. Oh.
So good.
No! Not my wheels! Come on! Come on! It's a municipal vehicle!
I tried everything to get the ladies' attention. Pickup lines. Hi, my name's Chuck. That rhymes with luck. Manly facial hair. Even magic. Abra. Cadabra!
I paid for that, you jerk!
But then, I tried Trunk Monkey.
Oh, how adorable!
Yeah, we're a team.
Thanks.
Yeah, happened about a month ago. I was driving my new truck home from the bingo, and it just died. Now, next thing I know, I seen this bright light up in the sky. And aliens was everywhere. Now, I don't do probes, so I'm glad I bought a truck with a Trunk Monkey.
The Trunk Monkey, an out-of-this-world idea.
Honey, don't worry, okay? We'll make it.
Oh, God, I think it's happening?
Mel?
Yes, right now! What are we doing?
Look, Breeze with Monkey.
The Trunk Monkey Pediatric Edition. An innovative idea.
Honey,